Papercraft Essentials magazine. This is issue 197. Now, whether you watch the Great British Bake Off, this is a fun collection to have, and there's a whole Baked with Love kit included. So let me show you that to begin with. So here it is. It's got over 100 elements. Now, I've taken the things out of the box, but I wanted to leave that stamp set just so that you could actually see it. So it's going to give you all of the numbers, obviously, and little tiny baking elements. So you've got an apron, you've got a whisk, you've got a, just all sorts of things, a hot pad, a pie, a mixer, just all kinds of things. Okay, now, in addition, as I said, this is a kit. So you're going to get these die cuts, and they are, let me see, there are in total 102 of them. Now, this is going to be used to make an interesting card. So kind of remember, it looks like a stove. You're going to see that pop up. Again, the mixer, all the elements that you saw in the stamps, you've got pieces here. You also have them here. Again, these are all die cuts. Some of them are even foiled, as you can see. And you get 2 sheets of each. So there you go. So for all of that, then you're going to get 100 of the foam squares. Then you're going to get 5 sheets of A4 single-sided paper. So you've got all this with the sprinkles. You've got tons of cupcakes right there, dots, which are always versatile, all kinds of things in the kitchen, flour, apron, hot pad, and you've got the gingham, and you've got some cutouts, and you've got more cutouts. So there's that great big circle baked with love that we saw on the front of the magazine. So all of these are included. This little kit, Baked with Love, over 100 elements, I would say it is. And let's get into the magazine and see what else it has and how we can use those goodies. Now, using the kit, there is a special pull-out section, so that's always nice. And look how that is made into this card that pops out. In fact, we'll go here, and there's a shaker card. You can do this kind of zigzag card. You can do the cutouts there. We've got a pop-up card. You know, we have our pop-up die cut cards for sale, and we also have the cutting dies. I always have time for you and cake, words to live by. Have a sweet birthday, and then you can stamp whatever birthday it is. There is the one I was talking about. It really, you can have this pop up inside your card, and you have that whole kitchen right there. Very fun. Congratulations. The secret ingredient is always love. Happy birthday. Very cute. And there's another way that you can use that to make a step-by-step, and here are all the steps to make that. Here is an exploding card, and here is a one that pops up in the center, slide and stand. And this is a little crate with all of these popping up. In the kitchen, there's more. You can make this little stove. When the door opens, you can have something inside, a little treat. And just some different ways you can do it. Now, you can get a template to use these just with the magazine. It will show you. And let's go. So that was all included for the kit that's there. Then we have some mono printing. Now, Sarah has done a couple of shows using the jelly plate and the mono printing. So here are some other ways that you can use them, some different looks that you can get. Very fun to see. Here's some step-by-step, and that's nice. I love that. Just a really beautiful look. And here we go, and more. I think the colors are really nice with that teal and the coral. And now this is All Occasions is what it's calling, and it is using the papers that are included, and just a really easy way and a simple way to make these cards. Just really nice. In fact, that looks like a stamp that we have from Hunky Dory. This, speaking of Hunky Dory, the butterfly blue is a whole collection, and we just did a webisode on them, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and the indigo blue, this is a magazine and box kit that is now available. thought this was fun of doing a mobile. Now they're talking about for a baby, but it would be cute for a shower of any sort, and just using a butterfly die that you may already have. I thought this was really nice, just very, very simple but striking cards. And there's a whole section of them. So very nice. And this Papercraft Essentials is coming with your own little Baked with Love kit. And I'm delighted to tell you it's in stock, and this is exclusively ours at paperwishes.com.